Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to create the hand palm area and the hand. Before doing that we have done a mistake here, so we will correct it. In the torso we want to see this middle edge a bit inside, so go to the edge mode by selecting the one edge and then hold shift and double click on this edge. Press W or click here on the move tool and then take it back in X axis this way. This part will be a bit inside, and then again come to object mode by right click and selecting the component mode object, and now if you press 3 you can see the back is inside from the mid edge. After doing this, again press 1, and one more setting is that if you make any changes and you are not able to undo it, so your undo is uh, finite, means it is not working infinite. So to do that setting we have to click on Windows, Setting and Preferences, and click on Preferences. Inside this preferences window, drag down, and then after scrolling down you will see one option undo. Here you will get two options: undo should be on and Q should be on infinite, not on finite. Okay, so make sure it is on infinite, and if you keep on finite you can give the number of times you want to do the finite undo, but now we will keep on infinite and then save it. After this is done, let's begin with the hand. So we'll create a box here, and after creating the box, take it up here from the front view. We are not able to see the reference images, so let's check where are the reference images. Just click once here by selecting the image, click on in the view, and again click on looking over camera, and then after this is done you can see it. Press Ctrl A again and keep this on reference. We don't want to see the reference image in other view, so you can select the image here, and we only want to see in the side view, so keep it on side view. You can see this here one thing is there like rectangular in square shape, and you can select it. If you want to see what is this object, then you can come in the outliner and see the front camera has been selected. You can't see this both the cameras top and perspective because they are hidden, so hide this both cameras by selecting this cameras and pressing Ctrl plus H. In this way you can hide it. So select the cube and press F to focus on the cube. It will directly get focused on it, and in the side view now you can set it up. Take this down, keep it here. In the front view we want it here somewhere. Press Ctrl A for channel box, and then inside channel box click on polycube and change the parameters like height. In this we want the height in such a way that we are creating from wrist to the knuckle area, so it should start from the wrist and end at the knuckle area, and then press E to rotate it. Press W and keep it here. Again, coming to the perspective view, now increase the depth. The depth must be almost this much, and you can decrease the width if you don't want this much. This much is enough. Now increase the subdivisions. So in width we don't want any subdivisions. In height we want 2 subdivisions, means 2 edges, so keep it 3. Our thumb will come out of this face, so we can decrease a bit of its height. And in depth we want 4 edges to be added, so that we can extrude our 4 fingers from these 4 faces. After this is done, our palm is not straight. Our palm will look like a bit rounded. It is bended. So to bend the palm area, we can use modifier, or else we can just go to the vertex mode and bend it using move tool. So I will not use any deformer. I will go to the vertex mode and select all these vertices. Using this tool we can select all these vertices and then move it pressing W. If you are not able to see the pivot point in its normal direction, then double click on the move tool and coming to the axis orientation, change it to component so that you can move it in its normal direction in this way. In the same way, select all these vertices by again coming to the lasso selection tool, freehand lasso selection tool. After selecting these vertices, again come here and select the move tool and then take it back almost this much. But the palm is overall rounded, not this much. So again we can go to the edge mode, select this edge, double click on the edge and then move this edge. To move this edge properly, reset it and then you can move this in this direction. Same as it is, double click and then move this inside. So now you can see it is properly bended. After bending this, now you have to rotate some of the vertex, because here it's not straight. At the end and at the starting of the palm, you will see that the hand is rotated. So reset and close this window. Again go to the vertex mode, select all these vertices, and after selecting these vertices press E, and from the down view you can rotate using this axis, Y axis. In this way, again select all these vertices at the end and rotate it in this direction. Now at the knuckle area you can see the bottom edge, it is not straight. The area here, the edge here at the knuckle is bit rounded. So to make this also rounded, we will again go to the vertex mode, select this and then outside in the free space you can right click and then go to the vertex mode, so that you will go in the vertex mode for the particular selected object. Then select both the vertices and take it up. Same way, select this vertices, take it little bit up. Select this vertices and take it a bit up. So this has been bended. After bending this edge, again come to the object mode. Now you can see at the starting of the palm the area will not be this much, so we have to lower this size. To lower this, again go to the vertex mode and select all these vertices, press R, make this straight first of all and then scale it from middle. scale this, and then don't scale it too much, and after scaling it a little, then use y-axis and then scale it in this direction, so it will come in. This much is enough. After this is done, now you have to select all the faces from the knuckle area. Select one face and holding shift, double click on the last polygon and then extrude this by coming to the edit mesh and then clicking on extrude, or you can also press Ctrl plus E. There are too many options. You can also click on this icon here to extrude it. So I will click on this extrude and then extrude it in this way. After extruding, you can see that each of the finger is attached with the other, so we want the space between each finger. So keep the setting here, keep faces together, keep it off so that you can see the finger separately. To come out of this extrude, click anywhere in the viewport. Now you can see this face is properly in square shape. This also is in proper square shape, but this both are not in proper square shape. So to bring it, we have to move the vertex. So go in vertex mode, select this vertex, and you can't move it directly selecting this. So press W. Don't move in this direction. Okay, by selecting here and anywhere in this direction, it will not get properly moved. So to move it, we can slide it properly on the face. To do this properly, you can come here up. You can see the snapping tools are there. So if they are hidden, click on this small line and then use this option called snap to view plane. Snap to view plane. Keep this on and then slide on this plane. Okay, so this is done. After this is done, make sure here also it is properly square. Okay, so after this is done, we will extrude out the thumb. Select the face from here and then extrude it. Ctrl plus E and press W and directly move it in this direction. So our nail area will be little bit forward and the back area will be backside. So go to the edge mode and select this edge and then bring it here. So the nail area will be this and this will be the back portion of the thumb. So after blocking out the hand, now we will give a little bit detail here in the finger. So to make the finger fold, we will add some edges. Before adding the edges, we will go to edge mode and then selecting this edge, we can bring it down. Don't select from middle and directly pull it. Go to the move tool settings and in axis orientation, keep it on component or object. Keep it on object and then move it so it will slide on the face, and then you can bring this out. Now you have to add two edges here, so reset this again and then add two edges in middle of this. That will be a knuckle area. To do this, we will come here inside mesh tool and then click on insert edge loop option box, reset this and then add one edge here and one edge here. This will be our knuckle area. Add 2 more edges in middle of this. After adding this, now press W, select this edge, press R and scale it. Same as it is, scale this also. And selecting these 2 edges, press W and move this in their normal direction. So you can see that the pivot is straight. It's not in their normal direction. So double click on this pivot move tool and then change the axis orientation to component. Now you can pull it out in this way. Okay, after this is done, select this edge and this edge both and then bring them here somewhere. Okay, so after doing this, now add one more edge here. So again go to the insert edge loop by clicking on mesh tool and then insert edge loop. Click here once and after clicking here, select this edge from behind. So come in the edge mode and press W for the move tool. Select this edge and bring this out in this way. So after this is done, come out of the edge mode and go in the object mode. Select the object, means the hand, and then press 3 so that you can see it in proper way. Now you can see the finger is been detailed properly. You can see the nail area is here and the back of the finger is here. In the same way, you have to create all the 4 fingers and the thumb.